Alright, so when it comes to Google Shopping, the hardest part is getting your store feed uploaded and approved, and it's super complicated. It takes like 3 to 5 days. Sometimes it takes 7 days, and then if it gets disapproved, then you have to re-upload it and you have to wait another 4 to 5 days. So it's really complicated, and that's exactly what happened with Bomber and Co. We had some complication, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how we resolved it and all the steps it took to resolve it. But yeah, we'll be giving away, and I'll be showing you everything. I'll be showing who I called, who I messaged, who I chat with, whether do I talk to Google, do I talk to Shopify. Now I dealt with the whole issue. So I hope you guys appreciate this free course I'm giving away, and yeah, enjoy. Alright, so it's been like 7 days, and for some reason all the products are still pending. You go to Merchant Center, so I logged in with the Bomber email, and it automatically shows you sort of this whole status type of thing. And as you can see, all our products got disapproved for being like sort of pocket knives. Despite that, some of these are just keychains, bracelets, duffel sets, EDC kits. And another problem is, if you go on Google, you just search pocket knife, there's a bunch of giant pocket knives, whereas these are mini sort of knives that are available on Google Shopping. So what you have to do now is I'm going to go ahead and give Merchant Center a call and tell them the problem. And if you go through the same problem, just follow me, click help, phone, and you give them a call. So they start at 9 a.m. so I'll call them within an hour. But yeah, hope that helps, and I'll get back to you guys on the progress. Hey guys, so I jumped off a call with Google Merchant Center and they weren't able to help. So what they told me was I needed to remove the knife products, and I actually needed to contact Shopify Support so they could re-push the feed. So right now, as you can see, I removed all the knives, and the only things that are left are these just normal safe products. You can't advertise anything that's weapons or dangerous. So now I'm going to have to contact Shopify to get them to re-push all these products. So you click on your name, click on Shopify Help Center, and it'll link you sort of to this. And then that gives you, a few options to contact them. You can either chat with them. The queue is really long, so I'm just going to probably send them an email. You could even jump on a call with them, but I was like an hour in, and like it was still on wait, and I had something going on. So phone and chat is definitely going to be a while, so I'm just going to send them an email, but I'll keep you guys updated. It's a long process, but once it's approved, things are going to just go uphill from there. And it's like a one-time thing. Alright, peace out guys. So as you can see, here is a template that I'm going to give to you guys. All you guys have to do is literally just copy it, copy exactly what I wrote. This is an email template that you could use when you reach out to Shopify and ask them to re-push the products because you had some products that was not approved by Google. So yeah, this is literally everything. Just copy and paste it and you should be fine. Just change out your name, change out your store name, and everything should work out fine. Also, here's a preview of the messages of the conversation I had with Shopify when it came to chat support. You could see how simple it was. You just copy exactly what I said. You just ask them, yo, I had some products that got disapproved. I now removed it. Can you please help me re-upload my store feed? In the end, what he did was he said he'll have to get back to me because he wasn't too sure how he could do it. So I'll be waiting for his reply through email. But this process is all about troubleshooting. Once your products are uploaded and approved, things go uphill from there. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was pretty in-depth. I showed literally everything. A lot of people are gonna go through this problem. That's why I definitely wanted to give this away for free, because I went through this problem and no one's gonna be able to help you with these problems. And like, these are little things that people don't give on YouTube because they want you to opt into their course, their mentorship program, but I'm just gonna give it away for free, just as I did with this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Get ready for the next episode. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.